Right, here we have a Raspberry Pi running Pi1541. That is what the little board looks like. If you look at that screen, you'll see that there are a number of disk images and files on the SD card, and at the bottom it shows the activity on the IEC bus. If I switch the computer on and you look at the main screen, to mount the disk, I type load like that. So now the disk is mounted. Alright, so I can now type list if I want to. The Pi1541 comes built in with a very convenient browser that allows you to mount disk images straight from the Pi. So I'm just going to run that now. So I can choose different games here.